Hello and welcome to today's video. As the title suggests, and you can see in this image, we're going to be looking at preferred channel marks. So to start to understand preferred channel marks, let's take a look at this example to see how they're used. First off, because we're dealing with lateral marks, we need to know the region. And here we've got red cans and green triangles, and we know those appear in region A. The next thing we need is direction of buoyage. Of course, you could read this straight off the chart, or you could use a fairway buoy or something. In this case, we'll read straight off the chart, and I'll tell you that direction of buoyage is in this direction. So you can see this channel itself actually splits into two. If traffic is coming in from the direction of buoyage, they're going to be flowing down the main channel, and they've got two options. They could take the north channel or the south channel. And we want a way to be able to tell them that the preferred route is to take the south channel. And to do that in buoyage, we use this mark here. If we take a closer look at this particular buoy, we can see it's pretty much a port lateral, which means if you're in the main channel, you're using it as a port lateral. This additional stripe indicates that it is possible to leave it to the other side. This is telling you there's a secondary channel using this as a starboard lateral. So now let's analyse this buoy in the same way we've done all the others. We already know it's a preferred channel to starboard, region A, and its colour is a red because it's acting like a port lateral, but that green stripe saying you can go the other side. The shape can be a buoy, a pillar or a spar, and the top mark is going to be a red can. Again, it's acting as that port lateral. The light is going to be a red light, just like all other port laterals, but the rhythm, this is where we reserved that group flashing 2+1. The group flash 2+1 is unique to the preferred channel marks. If we swap over to region B, we can see the only thing that's changed is the colour. So we've got a green buoy now with a red stripe. The shape, again, buoy, pillar or spar. The top mark, a green can. Light, green light, and the rhythm is a group flash 2+1. If we take a look at both the region A and region B at night, we can see the region A here is flashing red, group flashing 2+1, indicating you'd normally leave it as a port lateral, but you could leave it as a starboard. And if we swap over to region B, the only thing that changes is the colour of the light flash. The rhythm is still group flashing 2+1, and the colour is now green. Now the preferred channel to port marks. In this case we're starting with region A again. You can see it looks mainly like a starboard lateral, but there's that additional stripe. So the colour is green with a red stripe. The shape, like before, is a buoy, a pillar or a spar, and the top mark is a green cone, the same as it would be for a normal starboard lateral. The light, green light, again it's mainly a starboard lateral, and the rhythm, same as all preferred channels, it's group flashing 2+1. Swapping over to the same mark in region B, we just swap the colours around. So the main colour now is red with a green stripe, the top mark is a red cone, and the light is a red light. If we look at them both at night, we can see the region A has got a green light, group flashing 2+1. This is indicating it's mainly the starboard lateral, but you can leave it the other side. Swapping to the same mark in region B, you can see it's the red light. Of course, you leave your red lights to your starboard side in region B, and then you can use the other side because of that particular rhythm. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Hopefully you found the information useful. Until next time, thank you for watching, and goodbye.